Next example, let q plus means set of all positive rational numbers, set of all positive rational numbers, and star is binary operation, binary operation defined by a star b equal to a into b divided by 2 for AB belongs to set of rational number q plus set of all positive rational number q plus, then prove that q plus with binary operation star is a group. Okay, this is an example of to show or to prove q plus with respect to binary operation star is binary operation star here defined AB by 2, means here given set is set of all positive rational numbers and star is operation defined. Let q plus be the set of all positive rational numbers, and binary operation star is defined as and binary operation star is defined as a star b equal to AB by 2. Okay, here to show what is to show set of positive rational number with respect to binary operation star is a group. How to show q plus with respect to binary operation star is group? There are 4 properties. Set of rational number q plus is a non-empty set and star is operation here defined AB by 2. Okay, then to show q plus with respect to binary operation star is group. How to show given set is group or not with respect to binary operation? Given binary operation, there are 4 properties. First one property is closure property. Second, associative property. Third property is existence of identity, and fourth property is existence of inverse element. Okay, for first property here to show q plus star is a group, let for AB belongs to q plus, then a star b equal to what is value of a star b? AB by 2, and AB here a star b, this is a positive rational number, this is positive rational number, and their multiplication also positive rational number, and any positive number when divided by 2 is also a positive rational number. Okay, therefore this is also belongs to q plus, because why AB by 2 belongs to q plus? Here A is also positive rational number, B is also positive rational number, their multiplication means A into B, this value is also positive rational number, and when positive rational number divides by 2 we get a value must be positive rational number. Okay, therefore when binary operation applied on this element means for all AB belongs to q plus, binary operation is applied on that element, then value must be in positive rational number. Therefore a star b equal to AB by 2 belongs to q plus. Okay, therefore therefore closure property is, therefore closure property hold, closure property holds. Okay, then second property is, first property closure, second property is associative property. Associative property. What is associative property? For all ABC belongs to set of positive rational number, to show A star, sorry, A, to show in bracket A star B star C equal to A star in bracket B star C. Okay, firstly A star B bracket complete star C equal to, what is value of A star B? When binary operation here defined, A star B equal to what is value of AB by 2, means A star B value is AB by 2, A into B divided by 2 star C, and then this is one rational number, this is whole one rational number, and this is one positive rational number. When binary operation star is depend on that element, which implies we get a value. What is value of ABC divided by 2 into 2, which implies that ABC divided by 4. Okay, understand here this step. Here A star B, value of A star B is AB by 2. Here binary operation is defined. Okay, their value is AB by 2, and this is star C. Star C is already same. Star C is remaining. Okay, and when binary operation is defined, this is one of the element. Suppose this is element is K star C value is KC divided by 2. Here AB by 2 value put K by AB by C. Here suppose that here this is one rational number, this is one rational number. When binary operation apply on that element, then value is their multiplication divided by 2. Okay, here multiplication AB by 2 into C divided by 2 means ABC divided by 4. Similarly to show A star B star C equal to, firstly solve this bracket. What is value of B star C is B into C divided by 2. Okay, and their value A star B C into 2. This is one rational number, this is one positive rational number, and their value is ABC divided by 4. Here first one, here second. Therefore from 1 and 2 associate is hold. 1 and 2 A star B star C equal to A star in bracket B star C. Therefore associativity holds. Okay, then third property is existence of identity. Here what property of existence of identity? There is an element E belongs to Q plus. There is an element E belongs to Q plus such that for all A belongs to Q plus, we satisfy A star E equal to E star A equal to E. Okay, here we want E belongs to Q plus such that A star E equal to A itself. But binary operation is star defined. A star E equal to value is AE divided by 2 equal to A. Okay, then A get cancelled, value is E by 2 equal to 1, which implies that E equal to 2. Okay, and 2 also belongs to set of positive rational number. Therefore identity element E equal to 2 exist in Q plus. Okay, here one of the element in Q plus, there is one of the element in Q plus which satisfy this equality. Here when binary operation apply on A into E, binary operation is defined two elements AE into 2, AE divided by 2 and equal to A as it is. Okay, A get cancelled. Okay, remaining E by 2 equal to 1, which implies that E equal to 2, and 2 is positive rational number, therefore 2 belongs to Q plus. Therefore identity element is exist in that set. Okay, then fourth property is existence of inverse element. Okay, here let what is property of existence of inverse element. Here let A belongs to Q plus, or for every A belongs to Q plus, there is an element A inverse belongs to Q, such that A star A inverse equal to A inverse star A equal to identity. Okay, here identity element E equal to 2. Okay, and when therefore A star A inverse equal to 2, this is identity element, or A inverse star equal to A inverse star A. What is value of A star A inverse equal to A into A inverse divided by 2 equal to 2. Okay, this is equal to A inverse into A divided by 2. Here A into A inverse, rearrange this equation, equal to 4, which implies that A inverse equal to 4 divided by A, and this is also positive rational number, because A is positive rational number. When divided by 4 is also positive divided by positive, we get a value positive rational number. Okay, therefore A inverse equal to 4 upon A belongs to Q plus. Therefore for every element of A belongs to Q plus, there is an inverse exist in given set of positive rational number. Okay, therefore inverse element exist in set of positive rational number. Therefore all properties of group is satisfied. All properties satisfies. Okay, therefore Q plus with respect to binary operation star is a group. Okay, next example, let G be a set of real numbers except be a set of real number except -1, and star is binary operation, defined by A star B equal to A plus B plus A into B. Here binary operation is defined A star B equal to A plus B plus A into B for for ABC belongs to G, then prove that G with respect to binary operation star is a group. Okay, this is an example. Given that G be a set of real number except -1, means G equal to set of real number minus singleton 1. Okay, without -1, sorry, or -1. Okay, this is an set of given set G equal to set of real numbers except -1, and binary operation star is defined, and binary operation star is defined as A star B equal to A plus B plus AB. This is a very important example. A plus B plus A into B. Okay, here binary operation is defined. Given set G is R minus singleton -1. Okay, to show given set G is group. How to show given set is group? There are 4 properties. First one is closure property, associative property, existence of identity element, and existence of inverse element. Okay, first property, closure. Firstly, to show G with respect to star is a group. Okay, let for all AB belongs to set of real number except -1, then A star B equal to A plus B plus A into B. Okay, here binary operation is defined. Okay, for closure property A star B equal to, what is closure property? For all AB belongs to G, then A star B also belongs to in G. Here A star B equal to A plus B plus A into B, but set of real number is, here A is any real number and B is any real number except -1. A is not equal to -1 and B is also not equal to -1. Then their value A plus B plus A into B. So multiplication of two real number is again a real number. Okay, A is real number, B is real number. Multiplication of two real number is again a real number. But A is not equal to B, A is not equal to -1, B is not equal to -1, because given set R does not contain -1. Okay, therefore their multiplication also not equal to -1. Okay, and their summation A plus B, A is also real number, B is also real number, their summation also real number, summation of two real number, this is real number, this is real number, summation of 2 or 3 real number is again a real number, and therefore which is belongs to set of real number or G. Okay, therefore A plus B plus A into B belongs to G. Therefore closure property is hold. Therefore closure property holds. Second property, associative property. Okay, associative property here associative property, for all ABC belongs to set of G, set of real number except -1. A star B bracket complete star C equal to, here first we solve this bracket, A star B. What is value of A star B? A plus B plus A into B and star C as it is. Okay, solve this bracket. A plus B plus A into B star C. Apply. This is one real number and this is one real number except -1. Then applying star operation on that element, then value must be here A star B equal to A plus B plus A into B. Suppose this is one real number and this is one real number, then similar way apply star on that element, then value must be A plus B plus A into B star C equal to, what is value? First element as it is. Here A as it is, first element as it is. First element is A plus B plus A into B. Okay, A plus B plus A into B plus second element as it is, means A star B equal to first element A, second element is B. Here second element is C plus and lastly third term is multiplication of two elements, means product of these two elements is A plus B plus A into B into C. Okay, solving this, A plus B plus A into B plus C plus A into C plus B into C plus ABC. Okay, this is one. Then A star B star C equal to, then second for associativity, A star B star C equal to, first we solve this bracket, means A star, what is value of B star C is B plus C plus B into C, and this is one real number, this is one real number. Apply star on this is two real number, we get first element as it is, means A as it is, plus second element is this B plus C plus B into C, and third is multiplication of two elements, means A into this, A into B plus C plus B into C. Okay, and solving this, A plus B plus C plus B into C plus AB plus AC plus ABC. Okay, this is two term. Therefore from 1 and 2, therefore from 1 and 2, A in bracket A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Okay, here only rearranging this equation, therefore associativity is hold, associativity holds. Okay, third condition is existence of third condition is existence of identity element, let A belongs to G, there exists E belongs to G such that A star E equal to E star A equal to A itself. Okay, how to find identity element? Here identity element A star E equal to A, which implies that binary operation apply on that element, then A plus E plus A into E equal to A, which implies that rearranging this equation, which implies that A plus A into E equal to this is A by A get cancel means A minus A, rearranging this equation, therefore E plus A into E equal to 0, which implies that E common, here 1 plus A equal to 0, and which implies that E equal to 0 or 1 plus A equal to 0, because product of two elements is 0, which implies that E equal to 0 or this term is equal to 0. Okay, therefore but e equal to 0 or a equal to -1, but given set G does not contain -1 and a belongs to given set, but here a equal to -1, therefore a is not equal to -1, which implies that a is not equal to -1, therefore e equal to must be 0, because -1 does not contain in that set and a belongs to given set, therefore value of a must be except -1, or value of a is not equal to -1, therefore identity e equal to 0, identity e must be 0. This is an identity element. Therefore identity element, and this is identity element is belongs to r minus -1. Okay, therefore identity element is exist. Okay, and fourth property is existence of inverse element. Okay, for all a belongs to, or for every a belongs to set of set of real number except -1 or given set G, there is an inverse element, there is an a inverse belongs to G such that a star a inverse equal to a inverse star a equal to identity. Okay, here a star a inverse equal to identity, and identity is 0. Okay, identity element is 0, but binary operation is defined. A star a inverse means first element as it is a, plus second element as it is a inverse, plus third term is product of two elements, means a into a inverse equal to 0. Okay, which implies that here rearranging this equation means a inverse plus a into a inverse, this is we get RHS, which implies that minus a. Here a inverse is common, value remaining 1 plus a equal to minus a, and which implies that a inverse equal to minus a divided by 1 plus a, and this value must be belongs to r minus -1 or given set G, because a is real number except -1, and this is also a is real number except -1, and therefore we their value means minus a divided by 1 plus a is not equal to -1, and therefore this value must be in our given set G. Therefore a inverse exists in given set G. Here see that a star a inverse equal to identity. Here a star a inverse equal to identity. Binary operation is already defined. Binary operation is defined. What binary operation is defined? Binary operation a star b equal to, here binary operation, here by definition of star. Okay, by definition of star means binary operation is defined. First element as it is a plus b, here b equal to a inverse. Second element is b, which implies that b equal to a inverse means a plus a inverse plus product of two element means a into a inverse. Therefore rearranging this equation, value must be a inverse equal to minus a divided by 1 plus a, and this value must be in G, because a is not equal to -1. Given set G says that except minus all real number except -1, only -1 element does not contain in that set. Therefore inverse element exist. Therefore given set G with respect to binary operation star is a group. Okay, Here see that this is important example. Here given set is set of rational real number except -1 and star binary operation is defined a plus b plus ab. First we see that to show G with respect to binary operation star is group. Okay, first property is closure property. Here first property is closure property. Closure property says that any two real number when binary operation apply on that element is must be in that given set. Okay, here a star b equal to value a plus b plus a into b. A is real number except -1, b is real number except -1, and their summation also real number. Set of two real number is again real number, two or three real number is again a real number, and their product is also real number. Therefore here both elements are not equal to -1. Therefore their multiplication also not equal to -1. Therefore this value must be in real number except -1. This value not equal to -1, which is therefore this value belongs to set of real number. Similarly associativity holds this property, this equality a star b bracket complete star c equal to a star b star in bracket b star c. Applying binary operation star, we solving this, rearranging, and we get a value both equality are same. Therefore associativity is hold. Third property is existence of identity element. Existence of identity elements means one of the element exists in that given set such that we satisfy a star for all a belongs to set of real given set G, and E one of the element identity element E such that a star E equal to a. When but a star operation is defined here, we get a value first element as it is, second plus second element plus product of first and second. Therefore a plus e plus a into e equal to a, and rearranging this we get a value here e into 1 plus a equal to 0. Product of two elements is 0, which implies that one of the element is must be 0, but here value 1 plus a equal to 0. But solving this a equal to -1, but a belongs to given set G does not contain minus a, and here value a is -1. Therefore a must be not equal to -1. Okay, because given set G does not contain -1, therefore E must be 0. Here E must be 0. E is identity, 0 belongs to set of given set R minus -1 or given set G. Therefore identity element is exist. And fourth property is existence of inverse element. Existence of inverse element is for every element of G there is an exist inverse element in that set. Here binary operation apply on A and A inverse to find A inverse element of in that set. A star A inverse equal to E. Identity element 0. Rearranging here value of this binary operation A star A inverse equal to first element plus second element plus product of first and second equal to identity element 0, means by definition of given binary operation. Okay, here rearranging this equation means A inverse plus A into A inverse equal to minus A. Okay, this is minus A, and here A inverse is common. A inverse equal to 1 plus A equal to minus A, and this we get a RHS we get a denominator. Here A inverse equal to minus A divided by 1 plus A. This value must be not equal to -1, because here A is not equal to -n, their negation also not equal to -1, and A 1 plus A also not equal to -1, their dividation also not equal to -1. But this is a real number, because dividation of two real number is again real number. Okay, therefore A inverse belongs to given set G. Therefore inverse element is also exist in that set. Therefore all properties satisfy given set. Therefore G is group with respect to given binary operation star. Okay.